Sige daw, say it in Bisaya sa daw so that we can work it on in English. So you experience difficulties sometimes. Modular lang mo, modular. So, just like this. Okay, that's good to hear. And kabalo man ka mo English guide, maybe you're just anxious. Kulwaan ka. Don't be okay raman na, and according to studies, anak jud na daw na pag anxious ka or makulbaan ka na you're too cautious or you're not confident to speak in English, maapektuhan siya dahil mo ang pag-learn na o pag-speak in English. So, we have to work on it like Clyde ha. Dapat mawala na imong kuan. Be confident. Okay raman, ako raman, ate raman ko nimo. I will just guide you. Ayaw kaulaw. Okay ra og marong grammar, i-check lang nato, or okay lang og mamali ka, i-check yato nato. Don't worry, Clyde. No pressure. So, kabalo man ka mo English, it's just that nakulbaan ka. So, also, we need to work on it na maggamit gid ka og fillers. You're using fillers like anak good kaya mag-speak out English ng mana ka. I am Clyde. We have to work on it, Clyde ha. Dapat mawala na siya as time passes by kay kuan man na siya, it's a factor na dili pa kay kabalo mo express imong kaugalingon in English, okay? And don't worry, even myself is very guilty about that thing because whenever I'm anxious, I unconsciously say fillers, which is not good as a public speaker. So we'll both develop our speaking skills by this, okay? Sige lang tag-talk, bisan unsa lang basta in English para mas ma-expose ka. So, Clyde, before dwelling into our lesson proper,